Welcome to Kyani Social. In this short video, I'll give you a basic rundown of the login area and the main navigation of the Kyani Social platform and show you how to get more detailed training on each section. First, to log into Kyani Social, you can do so from your back office at kyani.net, as you see here, by clicking on the Kyani Social icon. Also, in the United States, you can go to kyaniviral.com/admin. ADMIN, and it will bring you to this screen here. From here, you use the same exact login that you use at kyani.net and the same password. If for any reason you ever forget your password, you can click on the Forgot Password link and call customer service at the appropriate country to get your password retrieved. Then come back here and again enter your ID number and the usual password. Then when you click Login, you'll see the main dashboard of the system. Once inside Kyani Social, you'll see a number of gauges across the top that'll let you know how your business is doing, including the number of new signups, new prospects this week, number of Facebook invites sent out this month, and how your site's converting overall based on the number of visitors and then opt-ins or leads that it creates versus visitors. At the top, you'll see here we have a messaging center built right in, so if there's a message from corporate or from somebody in your upline or downline, you'll see it here. And then there's a broadcast feature where corporate can send out a message to all distributors right here. You'll have a number on those icons if you have existing messages to check. Next to that, you see the country drop-down indicator, so you can select any language you like for your back office by simply rolling over the flag of the appropriate country and clicking on that flag, and it will instantly change the language in the back office. Here you've got some basic account functions, including how to log out, how to get back to kyani.net, the number of messages you have. You can also get to the My Team, My Calendar, and Your Settings link right away. Also on the home page, you see your integrated calendar with any appointments that you have set and any appointments that were scheduled by the corporate office, again, like the International Convention here in Orlando last week. To the right is the campaign monitor, and we'll get into more detail on this later, but this tracks the individual performance of each of your marketing efforts so that you can see which one's most effective. Below that, you'll see an interactive map of all of your existing distributors, and by simply clicking on one of the pins, you'll see that distributor's detailed information pop up, and this allows you graphically to see where your distributor force is growing. Then to the right of that, you have a chart that shows you your overall traffic to your site over a period of time and how many leads it's created. Notice that throughout the system, you'll see these little black icons that look like a small video projector. Whenever you click on one of those icons, it'll bring open a new window, and in this case it says training video coming soon, but there'll be an individual training video that discusses how to use that particular feature. So if you have any questions as you navigate through the system, simply click on the video icon in that section for more training. Now let's walk through the main navigation. On the left, you see the main navigation links starting with the dashboard or home, and you can always return there. Also, if you're on a mobile device or you need additional space, you can click on the left arrow here and you can minimize down to icons all the different navigation words so that they're very slim and give you more screen space to the right. If you want to change that back, simply click on the right arrow and it will pin these in the open position. The next tab underneath the dashboard is the Invite tab, and here's where you're going to spend a big portion of your time. When you click on the Invite tab, your right screen changes, and you'll see here that you've got your unique URLs that you can invite people to the site with. You have different landing pages you can pick here that we'll go over in a different video. And on these links that send your prospects to those landing pages, you can send them either to a product-focused presentation or an opportunity-focused presentation, depending on which link you send them. Below that is all the social sharing URLs. This is a built-in way to prospect on Facebook, LinkedIn, Google+, and Twitter. We also have a very specific way to invite directly inside Facebook using our Facebook Inviter. When you click on this link, it'll take you to a new screen, and you'll have to be logged into Facebook in order for this to work. The first time through, it'll ask your permission, and then it will load all of your friends. And in this case, it's loaded 1,060 of my friends, and I can systematically invite each one of them. Again, look for the video icon to get more detailed information on how to use the Facebook Inviter. Once you do have prospects that enter the system and have looked at the videos, they'll show up on your Prospects tab. And right here you can see a listing of all my prospects in the system. We'll go over details about all the information on the Prospects tab in another video. But you can see here on the navigation to the left, you can navigate those by hidden leads, appointments, ones that came in with the Facebook Connect or email option, or the FB webinar presentation, and then you also have an interactive map to view your prospects as well. Next in the list is the My Messages section, and this allows you to see the internal communications between you and your sponsor or members of your downline that have used the internal messaging system. This system also notifies you via text each time you get a new message reminding you to log in and check your messages. Below that is the My Calendar section, and this is an expanded view of the same calendar that was on the main page, allowing you more space to take a look at what's here. You can adjust this to a monthly view, or you can view by week and scroll down even to the level of each day. And anytime you have an appointment, you can click on that appointment and it will take you to that prospect's record for the follow-up information. Next on the left is the My Team link, and clicking on the My Team link will take you to a tracking system that allows you to see your downline. By hitting Expand All, you'll be able to see how many invites they've sent out with the Facebook Inviter, how many prospects they have, how many signups, and the last time that they logged in the system. It's a very convenient way to see how active and who's active in your downline. Next is one of our advanced features. It's the lead rotation feature that allows you to set up a group that can rotate leads if you're using some kind of marketing campaign and the leads are going to be shared across multiple distributors. Again, there'll be a video specifically to teach you how to use this feature. And finally, all the training videos that are found throughout the system using the little video icon can also be found in the training section right here. You see this is blank, but as those videos are added, you'll see a listing of all the different individual training videos that apply to each function in the system. And finally, just like you just went through in the wizard getting set up for the first time, if you ever need to come back and change your settings, you can do it here with the Settings tab on the left. Finally, anytime you are using Kyani Social, make sure that if you're on a public computer, that at the end of your session you come up and log out of the system by using the logout function. Go ahead and take a look around the system, and when you hit the Save button at the bottom of this wizard, it will automatically take you to this screen on the main dashboard, and go ahead and start clicking on the individual video icons to find out detailed information on each function. Thanks again, and welcome to Kyani Social.